Hello everyone. Once again welcome to PM Networking. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, today in this video we are going to understand how to recover password on Cisco routers and switches, or you can say how to reset the password on Cisco routers and switches. Both we are going to discuss in this video. After watching this video, you will be able to reset or recover the password on all Cisco routers and switches. Let's say you are a network engineer and you want to configure one router, just want to take access of a router, but someone have configured password there and you don't know the password. So don't worry, still you have option to reset the password. But to understand the password recovery mechanism, you have to understand the configuration register value. Configuration register value. As you can see over here in this topology, I have one router and I have access of this router through this PC by using console cable. So let me take access of this router first. And okay, you can see I have access of this router. Enable show version. By running command show version, you can check configuration register value. So here at the last you can see configuration register value is 0x2102. And guys, configuration register value is booting behavior of routers. Configuration register value tell us how your router is going to boot. So if I will talk about this configuration register value 0x2102, so booting behavior of this router is whenever router will boot, it will store the main main iOS image from the flash memory in the RAM. After that, it is going to check the NB RAM, the startup configuration, and it will copy a startup configuration data in RAM. So suppose someone have configured the password and they have saved the configuration. So password is saved in NB RAM, and until and unless configuration register value is this one, router will always ask you for password, because this booting behavior is copying startup configuration in running configuration. Done. Now if you want to, let's say, reset the password, what you want that whenever I will reboot the router should not ask me for password. That means router should not copy startup configuration data in RAM. Yes or no? Means you have to change the booting behavior of your device. You have to change the booting behavior of your device. So here I am going to discuss two types of configuration register value. One is 0x2102 and second one is 0x2142, this one. So first configuration register booting behavior is clear to you, that it is going to copy main iOS file from the flash memory to RAM. After that, it is going to copy the startup configuration data in RAM. But if I will talk about the second booting configuration register booting behavior, so 0x2142 booting behaviors. So booting behavior of this configuration register value is router will copy only main iOS from the flash memory to RAM. After that, it is not going to copy your startup configuration in RAM. Done. So see guys, on the router, suppose I have configured one password. Let's say enable password. Enable password 12345678 9. Let's say this one is enable password and enable. Now it is asking for password, but in case I don't know the password, so what will happen? If I will reboot the device, then it will not ask me for password, because as you know, whenever power bill goes off, running configuration will erase, and now my password is in running configuration. So let me turn it off and turn it on again. See, again it's booting, and after booting my password will erase. Yes or no? But if I will save the configuration, see, now it is not going to ask for password. Yes or no? Again I am going to configure the password. Enable password and let's say 123. I am configuring enable password. You can configure any other password like this. You can reset any other password, line console password, line with UI password, right? Enable secret, any other password you can reset or recover. Done, guys. So see, now I have configured the one enable password over here, and this time I am going to save the configuration. So now if my device will reboot, then also it will ask for password. Again I am going to reboot my device, and see, after rebooting it will ask for password, yes or no, because now my password is in NVRAM, right? And booting behavior of router is copy IS from flash and copy NVRAM data in the RAM, right? So see, it is asking for password. So what you want, that whenever router will reboot, it should not ask for password. You have to change the configuration register value then, right? And we have two options to change the configuration register value. One is global config mode. In global config mode, we can run command configuration register. After that, we can define the configuration register value. Done. But here I cannot enter in global config mode because there is one password, that is enable password. So second way to change the configuration register value is in Roman mode. You can change configuration register value in Roman mode. Now how you will get access in Roman mode? To get access in Roman mode, you will turn off the device and you will turn it on again. And while booting, you will press Ctrl plus C. See what I am doing. This is my on off button on router, so I have turned off the device and again I have turned on. Now see, my router is booting. While booting I am pressing Ctrl plus C. Done. Now you can see I have access in Roman mode, and here I can change configuration register value by running command config. After that, configuration register value. So by default configuration register value is 0x2102, right? And that will copy running startup configuration in RAM. But if you will set 0x2142, it will not copy startup configuration in RAM. So command is invalid. Let me check, guys, what is command. Config, okay, and 0x2142, this is the command. Yes, done. And now you need to reset the device, so say reset. After resetting, this router will copy only iOS image from the flash. It will not copy the startup configuration in RAM, so it will not copy the password as well, right? So see, it is not asking for password, and so run. See, in the running configuration there is no any password, yes or no? But so startup configuration, in the startup configuration you can see the password. So your password is still there in the startup configuration, but now you can see the password. Now you can see the password, you can note down the password, yes or no? And this time if you will check configuration register value, so version, so configuration register value is also what, 0x2142. So you need to change configuration register value also. But before that, if you want to remove the password, you can remove the password. If you want to see the password, you can see the password in the startup configuration, right? But if you will copy your startup configuration in running configuration, it will again ask you for password, and then you can remove the password. Now you have knowledge about the password, that my password is 12345678, right? So now I am going to copy running configuration into a startup configuration, a startup configuration into a running configuration. Again, now my password is in my running configuration, so run. See, password is in running configuration. Now if you want to remove the password, say no enable password, right? And now I can write the configuration again. So startup configuration, now you can see in a startup configuration also you have removed the password, yes or no? And in the running configuration also, now you can configure the new password, let's say enable password and Cisco 123. Right now I'm going to write the configuration, but still there is one problem, that my configuration register value is 0x2142. That means whenever this router will reboot, it will not copy running configuration from a startup configuration, sorry, startup configuration in running configuration. So what you need to do, you need to change configuration register value again. So see, in the global config mode you can run configure register 0x2102. Right now, so version, so here you can see the configuration register value is still what, 0x2142, but will be 0x2102 at the next reload. So let me reload the device. Say no. After reload, configuration register value will be 0x2102, and this is how you can reset the password. And in the same way, in real time also you will reset the password. There is no any change, right guys? Difference, like how I am resetting the password over here, in the same way you can reset in real time. Now it is asking for password, so my new enable password is Cisco 123. See, done. And so version, you can see the configuration register value as well now, 0x2102. Now I have reset the password as well. I have set the previous actual configuration register value as well on devices, right? And this is how you can reset the password, recover the password. Okay guys, if you have learned something from this video, please hit on like button guys. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.